Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to cover three main topics: if and else, for loop, and while loop. So let's begin with if and else. Here, temperature is user input of integer type. Now, on the basis of user's input, we define three conditions. If followed by a condition, that is, if temperature is greater than 30. If this condition is true, then print it's too hot, wear light clothes. Otherwise, or elif temperature is equal to or in between 20 and 30, then print weather is pleasant, enjoy your day. Else, if none of the above conditions are true, then by default print it's cold, wear a jacket. Now let's save and run this code. As an input, let's enter 29 temperature. So 29 makes the elif condition true. So the output is weather is pleasant. Now if we enter 35, that makes the if condition true. So the output is it's too hot. For input as 10, neither if nor elif condition is true. So by default, else condition is run and we see the output it's cold. So, if and else was used for decision making, now let's talk about for loop, which is used for repeating actions a fixed number of times. Example, if a teacher wants to call attendance of 5 students, she can do it using a for loop. So, type for followed by an iterative variable that gets automatically updated by 1 in every loop, and then a range. In our case, this is a list called students, followed by lines of actions that need to be performed in every loop. So, in this case, I traverse from Alice to Eve and then exits the for loop. Now, while loop is used for repeating actions until a condition is met. Imagine a child asking for chocolates and the parents keep giving chocolates until they run out. So to use while loop, write while followed by a condition and then body of the while loop. So this while loop will get executed till the condition is true, that is till chocolate's value is greater than 0. Notice the indentation at the beginning of the lines that distinguishes body of the while loop from the remaining code. We have seen similar indentation in for loop and if else as well. Notice how chocolate's value keep decreasing in every run of the while loop. And at the end we come out of the while loop and print parents no more chocolates.